Linking your Coinbase wallet to your main account is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your cryptocurrencies more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Open your Coinbase account. Log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Ensure that you have access to the account you want to link to your wallet. Step 2. Access wallet settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the wallet or account section where you can manage your wallet settings. Step 3. Select Link Wallet option. In the wallet settings, find the option to link a new wallet. This may be labeled as Link Wallet or Connect Wallet. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter wallet information. You will be prompted to enter your Coinbase wallet information. This typically includes your wallet address or QR code. Make sure to enter the correct details to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm the link. After entering the necessary information, confirm the linking process. You may receive a verification prompt or email to finalize the connection. Follow any additional instructions provided. Once you have completed these steps, your Coinbase wallet will be successfully linked to your main account. This will allow for easy management of your cryptocurrency assets.